out are like, it's a website that I found, and it's kind of like a foundation. It's called Think Outside the Bottle. So it's basically what this movie is going to be all about, which is plastic water bottles and how it affects the environment and everything. So one of the things that this website suggests, like in order for them to like be able to I don't know, kind of change how things are and how water bottles came to be and whatever, is by signing these pledges. And it's basically saying like you will opt for tap water instead of bottled water, which is basically the same thing, and to support local officials who prioritize public water systems over bottled water profits. And by signing these, like, I'll be sending them in and everything, but by signing these, like, you would be, I don't know, helping internationally, because this is an international foundation. And then what I'm trying to accomplish by the end of the semester is I'm trying to get rid of, the superintendent to get rid of plastic water bottles in the cafeterias. And by doing that, like, obviously I would have to start a petition and everything. So during lunch, I'd be organizing like a table outside the cafeteria and everything. So basically, like, this is just kind of the beginning, which is the movie. So you guys can understand, so you guys can help spread the word, and yeah, so that's about it so far. And so I'm selling, what's it called? I'm selling stainless steel bottles, and they're going to be $4. So it's not very expensive, because if you go to Target or whatever, they're like $12, $16. And then this would go, it would kind of be like an advertisement sort of for it. It'd be kind of like, oh, what's that water bottle from? And it's kind of like, oh, or Bloomfield Hills against plastic water bottles. So if you guys want to buy one, they're only $4. And yeah, I'll just hand around the sign-up sheet.
And you have a whole table.
So basically, the truth about plastic water bottles. And so over here, the problem. So the average U.S. citizen purchases over 200 plastic water bottles annually. Plastic water bottles are expensive. The average person spends $400 per year on bottled water. And if you think about it, we have such great water systems here in Michigan that it's kind of dumb that we spend like 1,000 times what the product is worth. You can easily go to a drinking fountain, get up, and just go drink like water instead of paying for a $3 water bottle when in reality it's free. So then another thing is plastic water bottles are dangerous. 35% of consumers think bottled water is safer than tap water, but scientists say they are wrong. Polycarbonate water bottles exposed to hot temperatures in a tractor trailer or the trunk of a car can leach cancer-causing BPA. So the plastic that is in the water bottles, plastic that is like covering the water, I guess, has like a chemical called BPA that no one knew about until recently. And BPA like actually is known to lower sperm count in guys, cause ovary cancer in women, and it's just, I don't know, it's kind of bad. So, and then plastic water bottles are wasteful. According to Earth Policy Institute, 17 million barrels of oil were used to produce the 20 billion plastic water bottles purchased in the U.S. in 2004, enough to fuel 100,000 cars per year. 86% of water bottles end up in a landfill. So even though they tell you that water bottles are recycled, they in reality sometimes end up in a landfill across the ocean, which takes more oil to transport them there. So it's just very wasteful. And then plastic water bottles are polluting. 2.5 million tons of carbon dioxide was produced in the manufacturing of these bottles. So in the end, like, though you think it's a lot more convenient to be carrying around a water bottle, it's actually one of the most wasteful things that people have come up with lately. So